Take one.
Take one.
My girls kan I'm from the Ulama Advanced Toastmasters what is English kan.
Saya sekali.
还有2个礼拜不熬上班。可以不会啊，没问题。哦，那是
我最少。
Right, just do the installation. Supposed to be IPP and
Jennifer Po to give her opening speech. Please welcome. May I have the honor to call upon distinguished Toastmaster Jeffrey Lee to be on stage to share with us his story, My NTC Journey. My NTC Journey, distinguished Toastmaster Jeffrey Lee.
we insert some jokes to make it light. And along the way, it took me 7 years though. And we are not poor. God provides everything for us. This horse refuses to die in Toastmasters.
Thank you, such a sharing, inspiring story from our distinguished Toastmaster Jeffrey. I can't say Toastmaster.
As president of Malacca Toastmasters Club, Formosa Toastmasters Club,
Saya merasa amat bangga kerana dianugerah sebagai presiden.
My colleague, he was a senior person. He's retired from General Hospital. He was a consultant. Registration part. I said, what do I have to do? Just write in the Excel file the names. That time there was no Google form. I didn't know. That doesn't mean that you'll call me for every time roll takers and all. So, then the committee was opened. He was like doing a lot of courses. We got people from UK and we got people from India to conduct the courses, preparatory courses, mainly medical related. And every course was different and I was picking up, I was learning from them. Then came 2017. He said, I'm going back to Australia. He was Australian PR. And my daughter's finished, the youngest daughter finished her dentistry, everything like now, so I'm done here in Malaysia. Now I've decided to relocate to Australia. I'll be settling down there and bye-bye. They would always want a positive number. That added, okay, now I've been doing flyer, registration, logistics, trainer. By these 7.5 years, I have gained a lot of experience. I have seen him how he deals with that. Not that all his dealings were great. He had his flaws, but I picked up his positive traits. And those 3 positive traits I'm going to talk about. People from Dubai, yeah, confidence building up. 2019, I went to Sri Lanka for an education fair. I connected with another faculty there. I said, come, we have a lot of Sri Lankan students, come, let's do a course here. and that person came for a 3-day workshop. Everything was like whoosh. And then 2020 happened.
Timothy, say raise up your right hand. Okay, everyone. Okay, very good, very good. I shall see all the hands still raising up.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create dream come true. So they sprinkle on the
Next, let's get moving.
Hold my hand now. Cut. Cut.
Yeah, round of applause. Happy birthday, Malacca Toastmasters.
Celebration draws to a close. I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each of you for making tonight so special. It has been an honor to witness the rich history and achievements of our club, and I'm truly inspired by the legacy that has been built over the past 35 years. A special thanks goes to our distinguished guest speaker, Distinguished Toastmaster Dr. Song, and our very own Distinguished Toastmaster Jeffrey Lee. Your speeches has not only reminded us of the power of leadership and communication in transforming lives, but also how much Toastmaster has helped to shape our lives. We are truly grateful for your insights and for being part of this significant evening. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Formosa Toastmasters Club and Malacca Bilingual Advanced Toastmasters Club tonight in the ceremony of the installation of new club officers for the term 2020-2025. Your participation has made this occasion even more special and meaningful. Thank you. A big thank you to the organizing chair, Strategic Relations for Ronald Tan, and his team of dedicated committee members for a very successful event this evening. I hope you have enjoyed the food and all the fun, laughter, and the stories shared tonight. Kudos to Ronald and his committee. Thank you. As I step into the role of president, I feel with excitement and a sense of responsibility to continue this legacy. Our theme, a legacy for 35 years, inspiring tomorrow's leaders, will be at the heart of everything we do this year. We are all leaders in this room, and together we will create an environment where we members feel empowered to grow, learn, and lead. I would also like to take this moment to acknowledge the incredible work of our immediate past president, Strategic Relations for Ronald Tan, and his entire leadership team for having guided us through another successful year. Their dedication has set a strong foundation for us to build upon. My vision for our club is where every voice is heard, where we challenge each other to be better, and where we continue to inspire the next generation of leaders. I encourage each of you to get involved, share your ideas, and take on roles that will help us to achieve our goals. As we look back to the future, let's remember the strength of our club lies in our unity and our commitment in supporting one another. Together we can achieve great things, and I'm excited to see what we will accomplish in the coming year. Thank you once again for being here tonight, and for your support, and for your dedication to our shared vision. Let's make this year one to remember as we continue to build on the incredible legacy of the past 35 years. Have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to working with each other, and thank you and good night. And have a safe journey back home. Thank you very much.